Welcome back. In the previous lecture, we used string slicing to reverse the characters of a string. Here, we explore another method that uses three core tools: the string method split, the list slicing technique, and the string method join. This method may be used when the string is composed of separate words. 1. Splitting the string. First, we need to convert the string into a list of individual characters. We do this by calling the list constructor directly on the string. This breaks the string into its constituent characters, each becoming a separate element in a new list. 2. Reversing the list. Once we have the characters in a list, we can use the same slicing technique we learned previously, the ::-1, to reverse the order of the items in the list. 3. Joining the characters. The final step is to convert the list of reverse characters back into a single string. We use the join method, specifying an empty string as the delimiter. The empty delimiter ensures no spaces or other characters are inserted between the rejoined letters. To summarize, the split reverse join pattern is slightly more complex than direct slicing, but it provides a flexible framework that is crucial when you need to perform other list operations, like sorting or filtering, before putting the string back together. Now that we can reverse characters, let's look at reversing the order of words in a sentence, not the characters themselves. Join me in Lecture 10.03. Reverse the words in a string.